Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 17, exercise in question answers. As in our last two videos, we have completed our chapter discussion. So, open your books, chapter number 17, exercise in question answers. It is prepared by me, by your social studies teacher, Alvina Gill. So, let's move on. Multiple choice questions. Choose the correct option to answer the following questions carefully. Himalaya means the options are abode of water, abode of snow, abode of soil. So, the correct answer is abode of snow. Himalaya means the abode of snow. Which of the following mountain peaks is the highest in the world? Options are Mount Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Mount Everest. So, the correct answer is Mount Everest. Which of the following mountain peak is the highest in the world? The answer is Mount Everest. Which of the following states is not a part of Northern Plains? As options are given here: Kerala, Punjab, Assam. As we have already studied in our chapter, Punjab and Assam are parts of Northern Plains. So, which is not? That is the Kerala. So, the correct answer is Kerala is not a part of Northern Plains. Which of the following is the oldest mountain range in the world? The Himalayas, the Janisha, the Aravallis. तो बेटा सबसे oldest mountain ranges are the Aravallis. The correct option is the Aravallis. Moving ahead with the next exercise. Read the following statements carefully and mark tick on the true and wrong on the false one. First one is Mount Everest lies in Bhutan. Wrong. It is false. Mount Everest lies in Nepal. So this is wrong. False. Meghalaya means abode of clouds. True. Meghalaya means abode of clouds. River brings numerous pieces of rocks and sand with them. True. Yes, as we have studied, when the rivers flow and come, they carry pieces of rocks and sand with them. So this is true. The Satpura range is in the north of Vindhya ranges. Yes, true. The Satpura range lies in the north of Vindhya ranges. So, the first statement is false, second one is true, third one is true, and fourth one is also true. Moving ahead. Fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the help box. As to fill in the blanks, the 5-6 words are given here in the help box. We have to use these words to fill in the blanks. Let's move on. Number 1, K2 is located in the dash range. So the answer is Karakoram. K2 is located in the Karakoram range. The Himalayas are about dash long. The Himalayas are about 2400 kilometer long. The Himalayas are about 2400 kilometer long. Okay. The major source of Ganga is the Gangotri glaciers. So, the major source of the Ganga river is the Gangotri glaciers. The Ganga rivers joins the Yamuna near the river near Allahabad. The Ganga and Yamuna, they joins near Allahabad. The Godavari river is the longest river of the peninsular plateau. So once again we will repeat the answer. K2 is located in the Karakoram range. The Himalayas are about 2400 km long. Major source of the Ganga is the Gangotri glaciers. The Ganga river joins the Yamuna river near Allahabad. The Godavari river is the longest river of the peninsular plateau. Okay. Now, E exercise we have correctly match column A with column B. So, column A we have options the Himalayas. The correct answer is guard our northern borders. The Himalayas guard our northern borders. Second one, the main tributary of Satluj, Beas, or we call it Byas also, that is the Hindi word, but we call it as Beas. Now, the Aravali range, oldest mountain range. Aravali range, oldest mountain range. Elevated wetland is plateau. So, I will say the numbers of the answers 3, 4, 1, 2. Oldest Himalayas guard our northern borders. The main tributary of Satluj is your Beas. The Aravali range, oldest mountain range. Elevated flatland is your plateau. Now, answer the following questions. What is the significance of Himalayan mountains? Means we have to tell the significance of Himalayan mountains. Let's see. The Himalayan are very useful for country in many ways. They guard our northern borders. The rivers provide water for our various needs. The forests provide timber and herbs. There are many wildlife sanctuaries in the Himalayan forest. Now, the Himalayan, they are very useful for our countries in many ways, like they guard our northern borders, the rivers provide water for our various needs, the forests provide timber and herb, and there are many wildlife sanctuaries in the Himalayan forest. Second one, give a short note on the people who have climbed the Mount Everest. So we have to write about the people who have climbed on the Mount Everest as we have discussed earlier in our chapter. So we can write easily. The answer is many of them have tried to reach the top of these mountains and were successful. Tenzing Norgay of India and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand reached the top of Mount Everest in 1953. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb this peak in 1984. Once again, Many of them have tried to reach the top of these mountains and were successful. Tenzing Norgay of India and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand reached the top of the Mount Everest in 1953. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb this peak in 1984. Now, next question. What is the location and extent of northern plains? The answer is the northern plains are located in the south of the Himalayas, which extends from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. It includes the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and parts of Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. Name any four rivers that flow in northern plains. Answer is the Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagar, Gandak, Kosi, and Brahmaputra. Number 5. What are the two main divisions of the Peninsular Plateau? The answer is the Central Highland, the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highland, the Deccan Plateau. So class, I request you all to please write down the answers in the book, exercise answers in the book, and neat and clean writing. And question answers, please write down in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. Proper heading of the chapter, chapter name, and question answers done in a neat and clean handwriting. So class, keep studying, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.